Hello everybody, this is the Clean Snowmobile Enterprise at Michigan Technological University. My name's Katie Piak, and here presenting with me today is Daniel Prada, Travis Kavanaugh, and Garrett Henry. So our team, the Clean Snowmobile team, goes to a competition every year, and at this competition it is our goal to create the cleanest, quietest, and most fuel-efficient snowmobile while maintaining rider experience. Our members, while on the team, obtain real-world problem-solving experience through in-depth projects, and also develop their communication and team skills. This is done through the organization of our team. So we have 4 sub-teams: chassis, electrical, CI engine, and SI engine. Each of these sub-teams has a team lead that creates task lists with project timelines and then assigns each member to a project based on their knowledge base and interest. Then, to keep track of this progress, each team member logs their hours, where they were in which shop, what snowmobile they were working on, which project they were working on, and what the progress of that project was, to keep our record keeping consistent across all sub-teams and for the entire team as a whole.
For the compression ignition snowmobile sub-team for the year of 2021 through 2022, we brought a 2020 Ski-Doo Skandic with the Kohler KDW 1003 engine to competition. As part of our engine package and some of the improvements we initiated and put on the snowmobile to reach Clean Snowmobile's mission as the cleanest and quietest sled, we included a new custom fuel pressure regulator system that runs from the OEM tank and OEM pump to our KDW diesel engine to get accurate pressures and clean diesel fuel. Also, in our after treatment system, the team included a custom DOC and DPF made to specific specifications that can better produce cleaner emissions. The DOC is utilized to reduce carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons, and the DPF is used to collect soot. Other things included on the snowmobile were used to better increase maneuverability, including a custom steering, which was made out of U-joints and bushings to accommodate for the new diesel snowmobile engine in the Skandic. We also included a turbo to increase power, and a project that we started was an EGR system by a senior design team, which included 2 Volkswagen EGR valves and an EGR cooler in an effort to target NOx emissions and reduce them.
Moving forward, similarly to the compression ignition snowmobile, our spark ignition snowmobile was a 2020 Yamaha SR Viper LTX. For this year, our snowmobile package included custom drivers, which were machined out of ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, and they experience a alternating nib design. This was created to reduce noise caused by the driver and track interface. Additionally, we developed a secondary exhaust system which sat securely on the rear of our snowmobile tunnel. By adding this secondary muffler, we are able to increase the overall system volume of the exhaust and therefore reduce exhaust noise. To control our engine package, we utilized a Motec ECU. This year we developed a lean engine calibration and again utilized Motec's closed loop capabilities for precise fuel delivery. Additionally, in an effort to reduce high sound pressure level frequencies coming from the engine's intake, a variable length intake resonator was developed which actively translates with changing RPM. Finally, an electronically driven compressor is under development as a senior design project, which was developed using a stock IHI turbocharger from a Yamaha Sidewinder. This project is aimed at improving power delivery, transient power delivery, and also has the potential to reduce emissions.
Looking to the future, some of the next steps on the CI snowmobile include the EGR system, some further testing at the dyno to correlate the results to on-snow emissions, and then finally implementation onto the snowmobile itself. The custom steering, it's going to get a redesign for increased rigidity. And then on the SI sled, the e-compressor will get further testing to ensure durability, and then implement on the dyno to validate it, and then hopefully go on the snowmobile. The secondary exhaust system, we're looking into a custom catalytic converter to fit under the tunnel of the snowmobile, and the heat shield will get improvements to reduce sound and allow for quicker heat dissipation.
We'd also like to thank our advisors, Dr. Jason Blau and Dr. Scott Mears, for their guidance during these projects and over the years being advisors to our team. We'd also like to thank our sponsors who have supported us over the years of the team and throughout the design and implementation of these projects. Thank you.